And that is a train horn. Oh, look at that sunset. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are actually at the Rock Island Depot here in LaSalle, which unfortunately is no longer active, if you can't tell already. And it was supposed to be turned into a museum, but they never ended up doing it. I'll show you guys a little bit more, and I'll tell you guys a little bit more, but I just heard the train horn. It's still a few minutes out, but I heard it because it echoed off of the building down there, also known as West Clocks. So, yeah, I don't know if you guys heard that, but that's what it was right there. You know, the camera makes it look like it's so light outside. I'm sorry, guys. I'll be quiet. And yes, I will explain why I'm over here later, okay? I'm at least gonna wait for the train to go through. What was that? There it is. You see the headlights shining off the rails. Is that car gonna make it? Yes, he is. He's gunning it. He's like, I ain't waiting for no damn train. I do believe we have the train. Can't really see. Oh, there we go. Oh, never mind. There it goes. was shorter than expected, but still very cool as always. Pretty sure a little bit of an extra honk there. I'm not fully sure because they do a lot down here because of the double crossings, but hey, pretty cool. So the reason why I'm over here tonight is because it was actually light raining. Sorry, I was burping. It was raining pretty light when I was first coming down here, so I said, you know what? Yeah, I checked the weather app. It's supposed to rain, yeah, but it's only supposed to be light rain, so I decided I'd go down anyway. And I was down there like I usually am, and it's raining. I'm on my phone, the screen's getting wet. I'm like, okay, you know what? I'm just gonna go over to the depot because the roof is hanging over it and it can keep my bike and me very dry. So yeah, that's why I did. And in case you guys are wondering what's all these over here, this is all the closer look at those grain cars. I can't get any closer because that's private property and I'm standing on railroad property right now. So I'm kind of arguably trespassing, but at the same time not, because you can stand here and you're fine. Just I kept my distance, but let me just say, holy shit. When I'm over at the crossing, I feel like I'm bigger than the train. I mean, yeah, it's big, but like, holy God. Because of the track being higher than I was, I felt really small next to it. Which is, I guess that's what they were trying to go for, make trains really intimidating, because, hey, if that's what they were going for, they pretty much nailed it right there, but I gotta get home, guys. It's getting pretty late because of all the rain. There's like no sunlight left, so it's gonna be a dark trip, but I got my high vis on, don't worry. So yeah, you guys have a great rest of your night, day, evening, whenever you're deciding to watch this, if you're deciding to watch it at all. I'm the one and only Illinois man. I thank you all for watching if you made it this far, and see you guys in the next video.